Becoming a parent is both rewarding and expensive. You may not realize this, but Arizonans spend more of their money on childcare than most mom and dads do across the country.
Team 12's Colleen Sikora is looking into why childcare is so expensive here.
As a mom of two kids, Annalisa Garcia knows the cost.
I don't work because childcare is so much.
Lending Tree finding in an analysis of Census Bureau surveys, the average family in Arizona is paying about 20% of their income on childcare costs.
That's a really big deal because childcare isn't one of those expenses that you can just cancel like a Spotify subscription. It's something that you have to deal with.
Matt Schultz, Lending Tree's chief credit analyst, says Arizona ranks 8th for spending the most amount of parents' income on childcare out of all 50 states. But why?
About 48% of the state is a childcare desert. So just the availability of childcare, I think, contributes to the cost. If you can't find childcare, you're going to have to pay more where you are finding it.
Ginger Sandberg is First Things First Senior Director for Early Learning. She says it's not just quantity, but quality too.
When you're really looking for a childcare environment that has a highly skilled teacher that is trained in understanding early childhood education, child development, that's going to make the cost even that much more expensive.
Using federal funding, the state health department lowered licensing fees for childcare facilities to $1 through June 2024.
This was an area of concern. We saw that there wasn't a lot of access to childcare throughout the state.
Tom Salo is the assistant director for licensing at the state health department. He says the number of new childcare providers has been pretty much flat over the past 10 years. Over the past 7 months,
We've increased about 150 new licensees, 150 new facilities that can provide childcare services.
it's about a 6% increase. While a help, Sandwig says more is needed.
150 is great, don't get me wrong. I also know, though, that we're going to have to do a whole lot more if we really want families to be able to access affordable childcare in Arizona.
Colleen Sikora, 12 News.